It's almost officially spring, so I decided to do a follow-up for my video, Why Your New Year's Resolution Sucks, which you should definitely go watch first, so we can get into reason number one your workout routine sucks is because you're doing workouts you hate. If you're starting something new, you want that new thing to be as enjoyable as possible. Stepping out of your comfort zone is already hard enough, so trying to add in doing something new and scary is setting yourself up for failure.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Like I said in my other video, you have to find multiple forms of exercise that don't even feel like working out. That could be roller skating, pole dance, hula hooping, throwing hands with your family member who keeps insulting your swag.
You don't even know nothing. Get your facts together and shut the up. Mind your business. This was mine. And it can always
You don't
be
want it,
mine.
baby.
Yes, I
You
do.
don't want
I
it.
want it right now.
You don't want
I want
it.
a mother
You don't
right
want
now.
it.
Dancing to Hannah Montana on your childhood character themed TV, or simply going for a walk to your local park. The options are endless. And even if you want to do standard workouts, do not immediately go after the dumbbells and resistance bands. Work with your body weight first. Keep it simple, keep it easy but challenging, and never force yourself to do something you hate. There is always a way to get the results you want without giving up too much of your comfort. Reason number two your workout routine sucks is because you aren't respecting your reality and you aren't respecting your body. As a certified ditzy bitch, I am constantly daydreaming about having my dream body. I would be in La La Land for the rest of my life if I could, but fantasizing about a new reality without acknowledging, respecting, and working with my current reality does me absolutely zero favors. I must see myself and my current body for what it is, even if I hate it. The reason you and I have to do this is because you must know what your starting point truly is, or you'll have a false start and fuck up future progress you could make. Want to get it done fast? Do it slowly, is a quote I saw recently, and it perfectly encapsulates the attitude you must have towards working out. If you do your reps or routine right the first time, that's always infinitely better than rushing a finish line and having to redo all of your hard work. Respect your starting point, open your eyes, and get ready for the journey. Reason number three your workout routine sucks is because you are not consistent long enough. Tying in reason number two, having this hefty expectation to change overnight will kill your motivation, your success, and your spirit. So stop doing that shit. You must be consistent. Consistency can look like working out every other day of the week, except when you're on your period. Consistency can look like only working out on the weekends. Consistency can look like doing a 20-minute walk for Tuesday, and then a full 90-minute walk on Wednesday, and then a break for Thursday, and then going to a spin cycle class on Friday for 40 minutes. No matter what your schedule of exercise comes to look like, your only requirement is to show up. Just show up. I cannot stress this enough, so I'll say it again. Cut the music. Show up. F***ing show up. Just do it. Show up to your mat, to your living room, to your Pilates studio, wherever you need to get it done. Do the workout and then reward your hard work with a protein shake to maintain all of that effort. As long as you show up and continue to make healthy changes that match your effort, you can get whatever you want. And finally, reason number 4 your workout routine sucks is because you keep waiting for the perfect conditions. This ties into the last reason as well, and I hope you're understanding the trend in my advice. It all comes back to you. There will never be a perfect time to start because life does not stop for you. And hypothetically, even if it did, some of you guys would use the excuse that you're waiting for life to start again because you have nothing to use. There will always be something else that requires your attention because you aren't doing this alone. Change comes when you step up and say, I accept that I need to change and I'm willing to make it happen. No amount of advice on the internet, not even mine, can make you feel ready enough. You just have to do it. At this imperfect hour, you must begin. At your age, at your size, at your educational level, at your current job position, no matter where you are, you must begin imperfectly, and that has to be okay with you. Do it wrong the first time. Do it confused. Do it sort of kinda. Do it with limited energy. Just do it. That is the only way you will begin. I hope these 4 pieces of advice get stuck into your head well enough that it shoves you into radical change. You can do this. If you need more videos like this for your journey, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and join the Vixen Club. I love you, Vixens. Bye!